Hi, my name is Ashton Ballard and I'm here to talk to you about the Wechsler Individual Achievement Test 2nd edition and why you should use it. It was written by and published by the Psychological Corporation. Its publication date is 1992 to 2001. It's a measurement tool that is used for achievement skills assessments, learning disability diagnosis, special education placement, curriculum planning, and for assessing what preschoolers may need service-wise and instruction-wise. The age range for this test is ages 4 to 85. It's an overall performance test, so it has 4 composite scores: reading, mathematics, oral language, and written language. The composites also have subtests. So the reading composite subtest is word reading, reading comprehension, and pseudo-word decoding. Word reading includes phonological awareness, letter sound awareness, and automaticity of word recognition. Reading comprehension includes fluency of reading. The mathematics composite subtest are numerical operations and mathematics reasoning, and the written language composite subtest are spelling and written expression. The oral language composite subtest, listening comprehension, and oral expression. This kit is $321 per complete kit. It has 2 stimulus books, 25 record forms, 25 response booklets, word cards, an audio tape, and 2 examiner's manual. One manual is for grades pre-K through 12, and the next manual is college students and adults. The test is administered individually, and it can range from 45 minutes to 2 hours. 45 minutes for younger children and up to 2 hours for, I would say, those maybe middle school and up. And the test administrator indicates the start points for each subtest. So it's just a very straightforward instruction for the administrator. They just give the test and cue when they should start on the next part of that test. So what makes this assessment worth it? It can be used for anyone preschool age to 85. It assesses students in 4 areas: reading, mathematics, oral language, and written language. And we saw that within those 4 areas there was different parts for them. And what I really liked about that is when someone is looking at the score of that student's test, they can see individually how they scored on each part of that test. And I think that's really great information for those looking and assessing the test for what that student may need and trying to provide instruction for them, because it can kind of help guide those that are looking at this test and what that student needs in different parts, not just reading, oral language, written language, and math, but in fluency, phonological awareness, reasoning, all of those different things. I really liked that it broke it down into different parts of each composite score. And it's shorter than other assessments. Its estimated time to administer can range from 45 minutes to 2 hours. I've taken tests that were up to 4 hours, and I really like that they have a time limit for this test that is not too long. So overall, this test is a great test for overall performance. It is a test that reaches ages from 4 to 85, which is awesome, and it tests in 4 areas and has many subtests for those areas as a whole. So I think this test is very worth it and is a great test to be used when trying to assess a student and moving towards the next steps for a student that may be showing that they are being challenged in areas. So thank you so much for watching.